Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear friend. In this video, I will show to you how to open Roshan digital bank account. This benefit given by Government of Pakistan to overseas Pakistani people. Now easily you can open new bank account in Pakistan, any bank. So you can search in the Google or you can go directly to site any bank, UBL, HBL, Mizan Bank, Al Habib Bank. I think so all bank have this benefit for the overseas Pakistanis. So right now I'm going to open HBL. I just search right in the Google or first link I will open. You just follow to me step by step. Start. So you just write in the Google Roshan. I just write Roshan. You can write Roshan digital account HBL UBL. So front of first of the link it is the HBL Roshan digital account online banking. So you can staying out of the Pakistan, you can use the same benefit which is you are using in your country. Okay, let's start. So click on the first link. Okay, now you can see this is the site. HBL is open front of you, so you have to see this one. You can see HBL, this is HBL. So as I mentioned already, if you want to go another bank, you can go, but we are going for HBL. Okay, so come the right side, internet banking mobile. So you can see here, so select the second option, go to select the product. See here, just click on this one, drag down is open. So you have to select here, yeah, just 1 2 3 4 5. In the sixth number, EBNAC Roshan digital account, you have to select this one. You can see clearly this one. Okay, this the one, you have to select this one. Okay, before we go to this open the account, just I will inform to you which document we have to require. So before you open this side, you should be prepare all the things, so you will easily in the within 5 minutes you can open that account. Okay, now we can start. You can see this page is open. Now you can see here apply. Before you go apply, you can see here many of the email is here. If you need the support and help, you can go through by the email, but I will show to you step by step. You just follow to me. Okay, here feature also there. If definitely you can understood the feature. Let's start now. Click on the apply now. So second page will be open front of you. So they are asking here is, you can see here account digital here. No messenger will be open also here. You can, if need help, you can do this. Okay, we'll go here. So he asking put your email. No, you can see in this place I just write one of my friend. Maybe you cannot see no this Gmail account, but I write here Gmail account. You have to write, then you have to click here, I'm not a robot. Okay, so you have to go to right side down, you have to click on the submit. Now you can see next page is open. He is asking enter OTP here. So definitely in the this OTP will come to your email. So you have to make sure your email is exactly correct, 100% correct. Okay, dear, see I just get this email, this OTP from my email, and I enter. Now right side down you can see this submit the OTP. You have to click on this. If sometime is not coming because of the service, you can click on the resend a code. Okay, so click it here. Okay, so now you can see next page start front of you. So here is many information they require, so you can read and you have to do the, you have to fill this information. Okay, must be, as you know, this one where is the this dot with the red, that column you have to must be fill. If you will not fill, you cannot go for the next step. Okay, here first is title. Title mean you are male, female, Mr., Mrs., whatever. Okay, full name. Here always make sure you have to write the name as per your overseas ID. Like you definitely you are Pakistani, this is for the Pakistan employee, Pakistan overseas Pakistanis. So you have to write the name as per your ID, overseas ID documents. Okay, you select, see this is CNIC, NICOP, POC. See this one, you have, you are overseas, you have the overseas card, you have to select NICOP. Okay, then next ID card number. Okay, and you have to complete your all the complete, like a name, mother name, married, passport number, issue date, country and passport number, and this is country of resident, definitely wherever you live, Dubai, Qatar, UK. They are asking, do you have the dual nationality? If you have another nationality, you have to do yes and no. Definitely, I don't have the nationality of the Qatar, so I did no. And you have to select your professional here, whatever your job is there. It will be picked automatically. Then you have to select the country code wherever you live, and second you have to write the number of the your own, which is the active number. 87185. Okay, and next is asking, see, you have to understood this one. Do not enter their address of your Pakistan. Definitely you have to enter the wherever you live, like you are living in Dubai, Saudi Arabia, Qatar and UK and Britannia or USA or wherever. Okay, and then your city name and zip code. Definitely wherever the red mark is there, you have to must be you have to fill this one. Here of office is, this is the optional, like it's depend on you. If you want to give this visible, this all the thing you can enter, or if you don't want, you no need also, is not necessary. Here I enter the office country name and this one. Next is account detail. Please select the account detail. Here many kind of the account is there. If you want to Pakistani rupees, you have to select this Pakistani rupees. If you want to dollar, and this is Iban Islamic, you have to select this one. Okay, if you want to Pakistani rupees, you are also select PKR. If you dollars, you have to dollar. Then next, do you want to debit card? Definitely you need this. Very good. I want to share with you. This is the HBL. They're giving the digital master account, master card. That is, you can e-commerce also, means you can out of your country also, especially we are living out of country, we can use that for the e-commerce. Anything you can buy as a online is not actually credit card, but is work as a credit card. Dear friend, here you have to write as you want to appear on your card. Then you have to click next and save. Okay, this is second page. There is name of the country, tax, and wherever you live you have to select. So actually we are living in working in Qatar, so I have to select here. And here if you have the, if you're paying the tax, you have to select country does not issue the TNI. So if you are living in the Europe country, definitely you are paying the tax, you have to select the TINT number and all whatever the required in the form. Dear friend, this you have to fill all the area designation, how you get the salary and your total amount in Pakistani rupees, how much you are getting. Okay, then you have to click on the next, previous or next, save and next. Okay, click on here. This is almost the last page. Here we have to do the attachment. You can see here the attachment. See, here is the recon the scan copy, and we will go one by one. Here also do to upload here. See, here they asking, do you want to upload image live, like it will be camera will be open, you have to take, but definitely as it's better, you have to scan and keep the in your folder. Then you have to select on no. Okay, so first attachment, this is required, scan copy of your signature, PDF of only. If you make a picture by your mobile, so you after JPG you can make the PDF by the online. It's very easy, just write on the Google JPG to PDF, definitely you can do that one. Okay, so I will select first. See, this is PDF, I save on the PDF. Okay, next, passport photo size JPG or PDF only. So passport size it will be accept both format. Okay, next, proof of the professional source of income. Definitely you have to attach your salary slip or salary. Okay, then last you have to check mark this one, means to say you are agree of this agreement. You can read all the this benefit. Now you click on the submit. After submit, your account is complete. Then you have to keep on follow by your email, and all update come into your email. Dear friend, now you can see here messages appear, your application has been successfully submit. Thank for your using eRoshan. Reaching out of the HBL, open the Roshan digital account. So 2 after working day, see, and I'm sharing with you within 1 week I received the ATM card and it was open, and it was very best service by the HBR. Thanks very much for your time. I hope you will like my this video, and kindly like and subscribe my channel. I'm always bringing the informative videos on this channel. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself and take care of your parents as you want. Allah Hafiz.